Didn't look that great on that plant, did it? Let's try this with dandelion here. Took the tops off. Let's see if we can get any of the root. About 2 inches of it. Hey, baby. What you do, baby? Hey, it's Godward. He's pulling hair out the back of his neck. So Lou had got those soft paws put on there. And seems to help. His hair's finally starting to grow back. Anyway, he's such a joy to have around. Okay, what did I think of this? Not that impressed. Now, it says you can use it in gravel, and you can. My gravel is probably really too hard compact for this. If your gravel is more loose, if you turn it, loosen it up every year, it would probably work really good. I will probably just take a weed killer and spray the weeds on there. In a soft soil, it does pretty good. Big dandelion plant, it's not going to bring all the roots out unless your soil is really loose. The smaller dandelion plants, it did pull the roots out with that. Do kind of like the handle design as far as pulling it back instead of the ones that has the bars on it. Hi, baby. I do like that you can release the plants like that. I just have a habit of bending over and pulling it out. Would have liked. These would probably work better if they, for like dandelions and thistles and stuff like that, if they were maybe 2 inches longer. Will not pull up wild onions. They just slide right out. Or wild garlic, whichever you want to call it. I grew up calling them wild onions, and I will always call them wild onions. Don't pull your wild onion plants by hand. They are designed to release the little baby ones. So next year you're just going to have to go back and dig out the little baby ones. You're better off digging up the whole clump at one time with dirt around them. That way you get them all. I had to order this because I injured my foot to make it easier in the garden. Don't know if I'll use it again. It just depends. They keep it handy, just to walk through the garden with, to pull up any small dandelions I see coming up. Yeah, I'm not impressed with it. I have I don't think I have it out here. You get it. Yeah, here it is. I have this. Got it off Amazon. It was fairly cheap, and I dig with it like this. I don't use it like this. For a really loose soil, digging like this is good. But I sure just ordered the one I seen on Amazon that was just like a pointed If I'd known I was going to use this that way, I would have ordered that. But I like this better than this. Even though I have to get down, I can get me a bucket and sit on and do my weeding. You can too, to keep from having to constantly bend over. Even though you will be bending over. I ordered this so I wouldn't have to do all that bending over, but I'm finding I'm still bending over, pulling the weeds. Because some of the weeds, even though this is designed to catch the weeds and pull it up to you so you don't have to bend over and take it out, some of the weeds still fall out and you still got to bend. Like it better as far as getting the dandelions out and the thistles that might come up if the blades had been like 2 inches longer. Where they get down in there, and then maybe they would have pulled up those wild onions. Maybe friskers will design a tool to do that. It's well made. I'm happy with the way it's made. In the soft soil, if you've got a small plant, you don't have to step on it. And after it rains, you can mash it in the ground and then pull them up. But like I said, I wasn't really that impressed with it. Maybe the more I use it, the more I might like it more. But right now, I'm not impressed with it. The low-growing plants on the crack of the ground, it's hard to find a root system of those. It does pull those out of the ground fairly easy, but you've got to find where the roots start because it is spread out. And some of them did bring right out of the ground, some of them didn't. So it's a toss it. Like it at some point and some point I don't. Some points it's times it goes well and at times it didn't. So it's sort of a hit and miss. These weeders are a hit and miss out of them. So that's my video for today. That's what I think of this tool. And y'all stay safe, God bless, and take care. Now where was I?
Restart?
Restart. We're going to restart. For that purpose. Because
You don't want a piece of health food.
no,
There's some health food.
no, nobody will see health food. What are you doing?